Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BlackCardCoin. Name of the token is BlackCardCoin, all one word. Ticker symbol is BCCOIN, all one word. This token just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on the BlackCardCoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, the BlackCardCoin is a cryptocurrency initiative that aims to combine the convenience of a credit card with the benefits of blockchain technology. Targeted towards users who seek premium services and rewards, BlackCardCoin offers a novel approach to spending and investing in the digital age. Now, there is a total supply of 150 million BC coins. Right now, they have 50,353 holders. A lot of holders, 18 decimal places on this token. And yeah, their price for this token is around 12.25 cents according to their BSC scan. This is a BEP20 token, and their on-chain market cap is a little bit over $1.8 billion, doing extremely well. So this token, it just got a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings, almost too much to go over. If you go over to their Twitter, which is right here at let's see here, BlackCardCoin on Twitter, real easy to find that. 28 tweets so far, gold verified check mark. Just joined in March 2024, 37,400 Twitter followers. They reposted a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings. So BNB is one of them. Gate is one of them. That's a brand new one there. We got 2Bit. We got Digifinex, P2B. We got xt.com, we got BITMART. Yeah, BITMART's almost too many to even go over here. And then the brand new one today, also MEXC Global. It just got listed today on MEXC Global, starting April 24th, which is today at 9 a.m. UTC time it got listed. So that's already passed. So it's available now on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BCCOIN, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. So the pinnacle of decentralized financial cards. Embrace the financial revolution. Step into a world where traditional boundaries dissolve and the spirit of innovation takes flight. BlackCardCoin presents a seamless fusion of decentralized finance and everyday spending, offering you the first glimpse of a limitless future. Crafted for pioneers, dreamers, and doers, BlackCardCoin isn't just a product, it's a lifestyle, a commitment to financial liberty for the discerning individual. Some of the Black Card feature highlights here. We got instant cash back. So luxuriate in the immediacy of a 10% cash back from your staked amount, credited directly into your card account to use instantaneously. Anonymous, unblocked spending. Your transactions are private, secure, and unrestricted, ensuring the utmost discretion with no interruptions. Decentralized and non-custodial, so retain complete control over your funds in an ecosystem ungoverned by any central authority. First to stake, first to gain. The early staker catches the yield. The proactive participation means being ahead in the profit queue. AI-driven liquidity. So global spending requires global liquidity. Our advanced AI ensures you're always ready to transact anywhere, anytime. And worldwide use. Embrace the freedom of a global accepted card with zero usage fees, uniting your digital and fiat worlds. So there's a total supply of 150 million tokens. Now, 90 million of those tokens go to liquidity allocation. 60 million of those coins go to user distribution. So there is fee-free staking. So secure your virtual and physical card with $1,000 staking for 6 months, and will waive a delivery fee, plus receive 10% of your stake back in USD, empowering your purchase power. And then also unleashed potential. Easy KYC, no spending limits. Your black card is the key to unrestricted financial exploration. And so it says here they started, it says, join the black card movement with no delays. BCCOIN is already on the market and your card is ready for staking. Become part of the financial ecosystem that grows with you as BCCOIN finds new utility. Your stake does too, in more ways than one. So envision a future where your financial tools work as hard as you do. There's product expansion from exclusive access NFTs to pioneering DeFi applications. There's also ecosystem synergy. So supporting not just a card, but an entire ecosystem. And there is a global network stepping into the cafe in Paris or riding the subways of Tokyo. It's all the same with the BlackCardCoin. Spend freely with no additional costs. And then they have a roadmap on here, starting with the launch of the token, initiation of the Black Card chain development, all liquidity management systems, marketplace and dApp prototypes, expansion of exchange liquidity, and community governance structures, cross-chain interoperability framework, sharding implementation, strategic partnerships, testnet launch, quantum-resistant cryptographic tests, and research and development fund allocation. Then we got engine development, real-time settlement layer optimization, increased AI capabilities, funding injection into development, the Black Card chain mainnet launch, and then worldwide Black Card adoption campaign. Go check out this project, BlackCardCoin.com. You can find it newly listed as of today on MEXC Global, so check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.